Joshua. Afternoon, everyone. Okay, so in this webinar, I'm going to share with you how to build Facebook ads that generate seven-figure monthly sales in as fast as 7 days. And this is for service businesses. All right, now, before we start, okay, who among you would like to increase their sales to 7 figures and beyond next month? Can you raise your hand or type 1 or heart react? All right. So there's a couple of people reacting. Okay, sige. Now, before I start again, I'm just going to remind you, or at least give you a little bit of context. The slides that I'm about to share with you is a little bit fast-paced. So what I want you to do is to eliminate all distractions right now and focus on the screens in front of you, because this is very short and very jam-packed. All right. So, ayan. Here's a cute puppy just to break the ice. And, yeah, super cute. I have a lot of dogs, so that's why I posted this one. Okay. So, in the next 15 minutes, you're going to discover the 3 secrets in Facebook ads marketing that help this chiropractic-based clinic in Cagayan de Oro City earn 1.9 million in sales last November 2022. Now, if you don't believe me, here is our tracking Excel sheet. So this is the sales for their October. Tapos, eto naman sa November. And sa December, hindi na nasama, but it's around 1.89 million. So close to 1.10 million then. So you can attract more leads and more clients or customers for your business before 2023 ends. Now, the best part is you can build Facebook ads that generate this kind of results in as fast as 7 days. So if you're ready, type 1 in the chat box. I want to see a lot of ones. I want to see a lot of ones. Okay, ayun. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. So, without further ado, here it is. Secret number 1, how to craft the Godfather offer to make people stop scrolling their newsfeed. Secret number 2, the blue ocean targeting method to target the right audience. And secret number 3, the ads to appointment method to filter low-quality leads or bogus buyers, that's what we call it, and only talk to high-quality clients. Now, you can't rest easy knowing that I won't sell you anything on this webinar. Everything is for free. There is nothing for sale. But what I want you to do is stay engaged and ask questions, okay? That's the payment that you will be giving to me in sharing the secrets that I'm about to share in the next few slides, okay? All right. But if you decide to stay and listen till the end, I'm going to give you the 7-point Facebook ads targeting guide PDF to help you target the right audience when you start running your own Facebook ads. Okay? This strategy alone is worth 129,000 pesos. And I'm giving it to you for free. So without further ado, let's get started. Secret number 1, how to craft the Godfather offer to make people stop scrolling their newsfeed. So who is familiar here sa movie na The Godfather? It's a classic 1972 movie about a mafia boss. Okay, familiar. Okay, some of you are familiar with it. Now, so those people who are not familiar, The Godfather is about a movie na isa siyang ninong na namimigay ng favors to anyone who comes. Example, si Miss A, hingi siya sa akin ng favor. Ako, as a godfather, I will give that favor without asking anything in return. Pero, pag ako na yung manghihingi kay Miss A, wala siyang magagawa, kundi sumang-ayon sa akin. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi si Godfather, he will offer an irresistible offer to Miss A. Which is, since he's a mafia boss, ang gagawin niya para pumayag si Miss A sa gusto ko, or gusto ng Godfather, tututukan niya ng barel sa ulo. Di ba? So gagawin talaga ni Miss A kung ano yung anong gustong mangyari ni Godfather. So parang ganon. itong secret na to. Because once you offer it to your audience, wala silang magagawa kundi ibigay sa business yung pera nila. Bibilin nila yung ino-offer ni business. Ganun ka-irresistible. Okay, so how to craft the irresistible offer or Godfather offer? So here's a sample ad that we created for the chiropractic clinic, one of our clients here in CDO. So as you can see in the video, the only rule of thumb of a creative or a video or a graphic is to make people stop scrolling. That's it, nothing else. That's the only rule, or that's the only point of having a video. As you can see, the video is not very good. Very simple lang ang edit. Okay? Very simple lang. That's a myth that a lot of people are thinking. Akala nila kailangan mo mag-produce ng highly produced video na parang pang-commercial, na nag-hire ka talaga ng professional editor. No. Social media doesn't work that way. Social media is very, very easy, actually. So as you can see, very easy lang. Okay? Yan. Now, how to craft a Godfather offer? When you have a video, the video should talk about 3 things. Number 1, the video should talk about the pain point of your target market. Number 2, who should you be talking to? Like yung target market yung target market mo. Okay, pain point, sino yung target market mo? And number 3, ano yung offer na mag-solve ng pain point na to? Okay? That's how to create an effective video. And then dito sa headline, you should talk about, again, the pain point. Diba? Paulit-ulit, nakita nyo dito sa caption, vertigo. Sa headline, vertigo ulit. Sa thumbnail, vertigo. Right? That's how you create a Godfather offer. You always say their pain points. Because, kung sa balita pa nga, di ba, the most viral news are the bad news. Agree or disagree? Type 1 nga in the chat box if you agree. The most viral news or videos or issues on social media are negative ones. Kasi that's human nature. Diba? We always react fast to negativity so that we can survive. So yung mga ancestors natin sa Ice Age, we always are weary about negative stuff. Kasi mamamatay tayo hindi tayo magsusurvive. So that's human psychology. Right? It's nothing very complicated. It's that easy. Okay? Another sample ad. Ayan. Okay. So ito naman, kung nababasa niyo yung caption sa taas, back pain. So this is a testimonial ad. So sino yung mahilig dito makinig ng radyo? Okay? 'Di ba? Palagi niyo narinig sa radyo yung mga testimonial. Ako si ganito, dati ako ay may sakit sa likod. Ngayon, pagkatapos ko mainom ng MX3 Plus, gumaling ang aking pakiramdam. Parang ganon. So, again, you talk about the pain points and sino yung target market mo and offer the solution to that pain point. So, again, it's very easy. You don't have to present or at least create a very fancy video. It doesn't have to be produced professionally. It just have to speak to your target market. Ayan, yung thumbnail natin, sobrang busy lang. It's sobrang simple lang. It's in Bisaya, pero ang sabi dito, first day pa lang daw, pero nakita niyo na yung epekto ng chiropractic. Ito, yan. So that's how you craft a Godfather offer. It's so irresistible that when you first see that offer, kiklik ka kaagad. Alright? So as you can see, napakadaming engagement. 941 comments, 72 shares, and I think million views na to. Same thing with this one. I think umabot na rin to ng millions of views. Hindi ko na nakita. Hindi ko na updated kasi sobrang dami mo pumapasok ng inquiries and appointments that we don't usually take notice of that anymore. Okay. So secret number 2 is the blue ocean targeting method para ma-target natin yung right audience natin. So, sino na dito yung nakapag-try ng Facebook ads before? Okay? Familiar ba kayo dito? Right? Dun sa ad targeting. Kasi a lot of business owners, when they run ads, or at least when they post on a billboard, gusto nila to reach as many people. Right? So what they do is to target everyone. They target everyone just like this one. So this business owner, may business siya, ang target niya lahat. That's actually not the right way. Kasi ang mangyayari dito, malilito si Facebook kung sino ba talaga yung gusto mong i-target, kung sino ba talaga yung ideal market mo. Okay? So if I'm a dog food owner and I'm talking to a cat owner, 'di ba? Kahit gaano pa kasarap yung dog food ko, kahit gaano pa ka-affordable, yung cat owner hindi niya bibili. Hindi siya bibili. Kasi cat food yung hinahanap niya. Right? Now, all you have to do for the blue ocean targeting method is to do actually a market research. So punta ka, ganito lang, super easy lang. Punta kayo in a Facebook group that your target market hangs out. Let's say I'm a car dealership and I want to sell sports cars. Okay? So pupunta lang ako, maghahanap lang ako ng sports car group in the Philippines sa Facebook group. Sasali ako dun sa group na yon and I'm going to research each profile. Tapos pupunta ako sa likes nila. Tapos titignan ko kung ano yung mga categories ng mga pages, yung mga interests nila, sino yung mga artista na fina-follow nila, sino yung mga vloggers, anong mga brand, are they following SM, Globe, Meralco, Jollibee, yun. And we plot them down, right? And then yung top 3 categories ng research ko, yun yung aking interest. Ayan, katulad na to. 3 lang, maximum of 3. So in this particular example for this client, we were targeting the legal interest, healthcare interests, and business owners' interest. Kasi the reason you do this is that, di ba, I mentioned earlier na you should be talking about a pain point, di ba? A pain point is specific to a target market only. Di ba? Kanina, dog food seller ako, I should not be talking to a cat owner kasi hindi ko siya target market. Yan. So that's the blue ocean targeting method. You should not speak to a lot of audience, only to the targeted ones. Sayang yung ad spend mo, 'di ba? Okay, secret number 3. The ads to appointment method to filter low quality leads or bogus buyers and only talk to high quality clients. Yung kanina, bogus buyer si cat owner. Kasi dog food seller ako. Okay? I should be only talking to dog owners. So, this is the ads to appointment method that we are using to majority of our clients. So, on the left side is dito manggagaling lahat ng ating audience, Facebook ads. And when they're interested, nakita nila yung ads sila. When they click on the ads, mapupunta sila sa isang landing page. Okay? Sa landing page, may isang video. So yung video na yon, yan yung magsasagot kasi madalas sa ating mga Pilipino, di ba? Pag nakakita tayo ng post or ng ads, kahit andun na yung price, tatanungin pa rin, how much po? Sino familiar dyan? Or more details po. Right? So in the next page, the landing page, sasagutin ni video yon. Okay? And then, if they're interested, there's a button at the bottom that says book an appointment. So when they click on the button, mapupunta sila sa appointment page. And then when the business receives that appointment, all he or she has to do is confirm that appointment, attend that appointment, and then close the sale. All right. That's basically it, right? So this is an example of a financial advisor client that we help. So ito yung landing page niya. Andito lahat yung in-explain niya lahat ng details sa offer niya. And it's very simple. So ang target market niya, kasi nagbebenta siya ng insurance. Ang target market niya is Pinoy breadwinners. Again, sa ads, speak about their pain point or their desires. Speak to a specific target market and then offer a solution. So ang solution na dito is free investment strategy call. So pag-click ng mga tao dun sa button, mapupunta na sila dito sa appointment window where the clients or the leads can select their desired date and time. Here's an example naman sa chiropractic namin na client. Diba? Appointment request. Ayan, super simple lang. Facebook ads, landing page with video, book appointment. As simple as 3 steps. And you can close new sales and disqualify the bogus buyers. Ayan, so again, this is what helped this chiropractor in CDO get to 7 figures a month. Again, ito yung sales nila ng October, ito naman yung November. We have a lot of clients na ganito yung sales, more than 7 figures, and almost similar lang yung way. Video ads, landing page, book appointment, close the sale. All right. As promised, I shared with you the three secrets on how to build Facebook ads that generate 7-figure monthly sales in as fast as 7 days for service businesses. Again, ulitin ko lang kung ano yung natutunan natin. How to craft the Godfather offer to make people stop scrolling their newsfeed. Ito yung sample. Secret number 2, the blue ocean targeting method to target the right audience. Ganito siya. Secret number 3, the ads to appointment method para ma-filter out ang low quality leads or bogus buyers and only talk to high quality clients. Ito yung fun. Ito yung diagram. Now, it's your time to implement what you just learned today. So you too can generate 7-figure monthly sales for your own business. And if you have any questions, please type them in the chat box below. And yes, bonus for staying till the end. You can scan the QR code so that you can get the 7-point Facebook ad targeting guide. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much. I'm going to give you time to scan the code. And yeah.